Okay, I'm gonna try to narrate this video now. It's called, and I'm gonna try to have a little bit of fun with this, so please enjoy, but learn this at the same time, alright? What we got here is the slope-intercept form of a linear equation. That's y equals mx plus b to us mathematicians. You'll learn that m is a number. That's the slope of the line. And that b, that's where the line crosses the y-axis. That's why we call it the y-intercept. Alright, get that memorized. Here we go. Slope-intercept form of a linear equation. I'm going to show you how to graph a line when you're given that equation with some numbers in it. There you got one. It's in slope-intercept form. Y equals 3/4 x minus 2. The intercept is negative 2, so we'll find that on the y-axis, and we'll put that point there. Now we know the slope is 3/4, and slope is the change in y over the change in x, which is rise over run. 3 up, 4 over. 3 up, 4 over. A rise of 3 and a run of 4. Now that slope is positive. Let's see if this line looks like the company is making money. Let's see. Yeah. I would guess that company is making money if it has something to do with the company. On to the next equation, which is also in slope-intercept form. The slope is negative 2, which is this, negative, that's a negative slope, and the intercept is positive 4. So we go to 4 on the y-axis, and now we know the slope is negative 2, which is the same as negative 2 over 1. Rise of 2, run of 1. Rise of 2, run of 1. But I went in the other direction this time to make sure the slope was a company losing money. Negative slope. On to the next equation. Yeah, negative 2/3 x minus 4. Also in slope-intercept form. The intercept, negative 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's negative 4 on the y-axis. Slope is negative, so I know it's got to run like that little mark I just made. Up 2 over 3. Up 2 over 3. Rise of 2. Run of 3. Rise of 2. Run of 3. You can do that forever. The line goes on and on and on forever. That's what the arrows at the end of the line mean. A rise of 2/3. A negative slope, 2/3. Change in y is 2. Change in x is 3. Here we got one that's y equals 5x minus 1. So you are getting the hang of this, I'm sure. The slope is 5. Positive 5, which is the same as 5 over 1. The intercept, negative 1 on the y-axis. Up 5 over 1. Rise 5. Run 1. We need at least 3 points to make a perfect line, but there's infinite number of points on that line. Y equals mx plus b. Next equation, y equals 7/8 x plus 3. The intercept is positive 3. And we're going to make sure the line has a positive slope, I should say. There's 3. And then up 7, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and run 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And watch this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, down first, but that's the same as the rise. See how it works to make that positive slope? And there's the graph of that equation. I hope you agree this isn't that difficult. You can learn this. Whoa, there's no... Oh, see the equation at the bottom there? Y equals x plus 7. Y equals x plus 7. What would the number in front of the x be here? What would the slope be? What would the slope be? It's not 0, because 0 times x would be 0, and it wouldn't even be there. The slope here is 1. Because there's just one x there. The x value isn't necessarily 1, but there is one x sitting there. So the rise is 1, the run is 1. 1 over 1 is 1. We mark 7 on the y-axis as our intercept, and it has a slope of 1, a perfect 45-degree angle. That's important to know. 1 is 1 over 1, just like 5 was 5 over 1. 2 was 2 over 1. Now, what is this point called? You need to know this. I think I know. I think you know. It's the origin. 0, 0 is the origin. That's where the x and y axis meet. When graphing or plotting points on the graph, I should say, you should always start there. Start there when graphing, or when plotting points on a graph, the Cartesian coordinate system.
You want to see that a little bit faster? Now, I don't know if I can narrate this fast, but I'm going to give it a shot, okay? Slope-intercept form, y equals 3/4 x minus 2, so go to negative 2, because that's the intercept, and then up 3 over 4, up 3 over 4. Draw the line. Draw the line. Y equals negative 2x plus 4. That's a negative slope. I got a y-intercept of 4. The slope is negative 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1. Draw the line. Company's not doing so good. Y equals negative 2/3 x minus 4. Also in slope-intercept form. The intercept was negative 4, up 2 over 3, up 2 over 3, up 2 over 3. Draw the line. Draw the line. Y equals 5x minus 1. 5 is the same as 5 over 1, so the intercept was negative 1. The positive slope, 5 up, 1 over, 5 up, 1 over. Y equals 7/8 x plus 3. We know the slope is positive, so we gotta make sure the line goes in that direction. Mark 3 on the y-axis, and draw the line. Rise of 7, run of 8. Yes! That 1x. X doesn't equal 1, but there is 1x there. Slope of 1, 45-degree angle. Thank you for your attention, and memorize that that's the origin. All 8th graders need to know this. All 8th graders need to know this. Thank you once again for your attention. Be well.